So this is Mrs. Collins. Miss Tell It Like It Is 48. The tea. And I am here to spill the Memorial Day tea. First, I would like to say to all my subscribers, my long-standing subscribers, thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your kind words and your prayers on behalf of me and my son Jacob. I want to thank you. And to my new subscribers and my new viewers, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for seeing my light and stopping by. So with that being said, guys, I got some more stuff to share for you. You and you too. Yes. So let's get it cracking. So first off, remember when I kept telling you guys about that Ring doorbell? Putting that Ring doorbell? And you guys kept saying, well, Nycha's not going to allow that to happen. Well, I beg to differ. You see this? Okay, you see that, right? Okay, I'm going to scroll on down. It's in every different language, so everybody can read it. Residents may attach a wireless video camera or video doorbell to their apartment door. Read it. Do you see that? Okay, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go up here. Okay. If you have Facebook, go on your Facebook and reread it. Okay. I posted this to my Facebook page. Yes, my Facebook page. Both of them. So that all residents of the New York City Housing Authority can see this. All right. So I've noticed that a lot of people are like, you're not allowed to be putting stuff on. Yes, I am. And now it's official. Okay? When I do things, I check with the law department of Nycha before I do anything. I don't just go free willy-nilly because this is not my apartment. I mean, my house. This is not my property. I don't own this. I don't do that peel and stick. I don't do that. None of that extra stuff. I do not do it because this is not my private property. This is a rental. This belongs to somebody. This don't belong to me. But you pay rent. So what? I pay rent. There's still policies and procedures. I mean, I check with the law department to ask if certain things is okay or whatever the case may be. Or I'll mention it to the property manager if I'm interested. But lately I haven't answered anything. I haven't questioned the property manager in regards to any alterations and modifications as far as apartments are concerned. Never. No, I'm not going to do that. Nope. But anyway, back at the ranch. You see what that's their official website. When you see that check sign like that, that means that is Nycha's official website. Okay? And that is Nycha reaching out to residents, letting them know, hey, you're good to go. I knew this since 2013. Let me see. I knew this ever since 2010. Yep, that's right. Residents may, it says you can attach a wireless video camera or video doorbell to their apartment doors as long as it is only for the purpose of safety and security and is affixed over the peephole or on the door that with adhesive. Holes or physical alterations are not allowed. Boom. There you have it. So you can't call the police on your neighbor. You put the camera on. You can't do it because they're gonna look at you with the blank stare like, okay, get over it. You cannot say anything to your neighbor. Now, when it says for safety purposes, it means if you are in an apartment where, if you're in a lower level apartment and there's too much activity going in and out of your apartment, or rather your building, there's too much activity going in and out of your building, yes, they're going to approve this. Yes, you can, because it's because of safety and security. If you don't have any cameras in your building on the exterior facade or the interior of your building, yes, you can affix this Ring doorbell safety device on your door. Now be mindful. It has to be on your door. It cannot be on the walls in the building. It has to be affixed on your door over the peephole. You know that door knocker, whatever? It has to be there. So, me personally, I would go to the management office and ask them to remove that peephole, and I would affix my my Ring doorbell where that peephole is. I wouldn't remove that peephole myself. I mean, personally, I would ask maintenance to, now that it's official, it's in black and white, I would ask maintenance, can you please remove that peephole so I can put my Ring doorbell that my employer gave me? Oh, God. Yes. Boom, shakalaka, laka, boom. Squeaky wheel gets the oil. That's right. Put your Ring doorbell right there. But it's kind of showing to other people's. That's not your problem, and that should not be your concern. No, I don't have a problem with anybody having a Ring doorbell who lives right across from me, because I have nothing going on over here. I can care less. You can put 15,000 Ring doorbells on your door. I don't care, because I ain't got nothing going on but the Ring. Boom. That's right. That's right. There it is. Read it. Read it. Read it. Yes. So this is Miss Collins. Miss Telling It Like It Is. 48 the tea. Spreading the tea.